So guys, this is a quick tutorial. I'll be showing you guys how to access Grok using your mobile phone. Recently Grok actually removed their free trial, and since then people have been like scrabbling to see how they can start creating their videos. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can go about creating it. You still have access to Grok. Do you understand? I'll show you a site whereby you get to have access to Grok using your phone without paying. Okay? Alright, so if you're new on this channel, this is Digital Payroll. And right here we talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow a YouTube channel. So if this is your first time right here, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. So for you to access Grok, you need to go to your Chrome browser. So right here, I'll just go to my Chrome browser. So as you can see, I'm already on my Chrome browser. So you need to search for a particular website called key.ai. Key.ai. So the key is spelled as K-I-E. K-I-E.ai. I guess you can see that right here. So once you search for it, then you'll be welcome with this interface. So for me, I'm already logged in. You can see right here, I'm already logged in. So just go ahead and log in over there using your Gmail. Log in using your Gmail. So once you're done logging in and you're on this interface, you need to come to where you have Explore AI API. Can you see that? So once you click on Explore AI API, so right here, you'll be shown several AI tools on this platform. This is a platform that hosts several AI platforms. Do you get? And the good news is that they also host Grok on their platform. So right here, where you have search models, you can see we have about 64 different models right here. So you need to search for Grok on this platform. So come to search models, then you search for Grok. So once you search for Grok, you get to see Grok right here. Can you see? One model found. Then you click on it, click on the model, then this gets to load up for you. We are right here on Grok interface in this platform. So for you, you can do several things on this platform, just like the normal Grok, from image to image, from image to video, text to image, text to video. You can even extend and upscale using this platform. So I'll be showing you how to go about using the platform. Do you understand? Ensure you first set it as image to video right here. So once you're done setting that, then remove all. So go ahead and select the file you want to animate. So I'll just click on select files, and right here I'll get to choose one of the file right here. So let me choose this particular one. So once I click on that, I'll click on done. We wait for this to upload. So while this is uploading, it takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there are some important things you need to note right here. Ensure that you set this as 10 seconds. Sorry guys, ensure you set it as 6 seconds. With 6 seconds, you get to maximize the use of this platform. Do you understand? If you set it as 10 seconds, you'll get to like create very few videos. But with 6 seconds, you'll be able to create a lot of videos on this platform. And right here, you can see we have aspect ratio. Ensure it is set as 16:9 if you want to create a long video, and 9:16 if you want to create a YouTube short video. Then right here, the resolution, ensure you set it as 480p. Do you understand? Because if you set it as 720p, you get to use more credits. This platform gives you a number of credits which you use to create videos for yourself. Do you understand? So you can see the file has been uploaded to the platform. So right here, you come down here and paste your prompt right here. So for me, I already copied my prompts and I'll get to paste it right away. So can you see? Dowry slams shots with a burst of red lights. Pages flutter violently. Clara's name bleeds onto the final page. Sparks fly. A shockwave of supernatural energies ripples outward. Mode: violent, irreversible fate. Can you see that? That is the mode of the video I want to create. So once I'm done with all this, ensure you set everything correctly. Remember, this mode must be normal, duration must be 6 seconds, and let's use this as 9:16 because we want it for YouTube shorts. And the resolution, ensure it is set as 480p. So once you are done with all these settings, then you click on run right here. So I just clicked on run. As you can see, it is already generating the content for us. So let's wait for this this progress to complete. Right now it's on 10%. Let's wait for this, guys. So I believe you're getting value from this video. If you are and you have not subscribed at this point, you are very wrong. Just ensure you go and subscribe to my channel. Like, subscribe, guys. Let's take this channel to 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. So guys, ensure you subscribe, like, and drop a comment if you actually tried this and it worked for you guys. Okay, so you can see the video has been generated for us. So let me get to play the video so you see what the result looks like. So I'll just click on play right here. Can you see that? Very, very sharp, guys. Very sharp. Once you're done with this, then you click on download right here. Can you see download right here? Then this gets downloaded to your gallery. So there's one thing you should note about this platform. This platform has its own pros and cons. So far so good. I just showed you the pros of this platform, like all the good things about this platform. So it's important I let you know the cons of this platform. So you can see right here the pricing. This is how much they charge for each video you generate. So for each 6 seconds video, you are spending 10 credits. Do you understand? So and this platform gives you 80 credits in total. So it means for the 6 second videos you are creating, you have the privilege to create about 8 of them in total. And once you are done creating those 8 videos, then you are done exhausting your trial. So at this point, just go ahead and log in using another Gmail. If you are into faceless content creation, I'm very sure that you must have a lot of Gmail. That's the way we go about maneuvering some of this platform. So just go ahead and log in using your second Gmail and then proceed with your second Gmail. Do you get, like, this platform gives you the privilege to create 8 different videos of 6 seconds time frame. Do you understand? And that's the thing about this platform you need to know, so that when you are creating your video, you get to like create carefully and don't exhaust your chances. So I believe you actually understood everything I said so far, and I believe you got value watching this video. If you did, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.